Hi everyone, this is a quick presentation to show you how Cpanel Body works and how you can save a lot of time when doing backups of your websites. As you know, nowadays many of us are hosting sites and blogs with multiple hosting companies, and as you know, this is making the backup of these accounts a bit time consuming, going from one account to another and doing the job manually. So if you are hosting your PBN or your site's network with different hosting providers, then Cpanel Body can really save you a lot of time and avoid you many headaches. Let's get started and let me show you how Cpanel Body works. First of all, you need to create your CSV file, which is basically a file in which we save a few details related to your Cpanel login access and the files and databases you want to back up. As you can see here, the file is composed of eight types of data. The first one is for the ID numbers. You need to create an ID for every line you add to your file. Then the second is for the type of accounts you want to back up. So it can be Cpanel or web hosting manager. If you are owning a reseller account, for example, usually it comes with a web hosting manager already. So instead of defining the Cpanel details of every domain, you just need to define the web hosting manager details and the domains you want to back up. If you are on Cpanel, then you don't have to fill this rule. Then there is the username, the password of your Cpanel. You define the folders to download. Usually people do store all their files under public HTML, but it's not always the case. Okay, that's why we have the option to specify the different folders and separating them by pipes. So it can be public HTML, pipe site 1, and so on and so on. It's the same case for databases. Probably you have 10 databases and you want to back up only 2 of them, so you separate them by pipe. If you don't want to download them all, you just have to write all and the application will go and download them all. That's it. So now let's get back to our application. Here, this is the configuration for your CSV file. So from here you click here and you will be downloading the CSV file. If you don't want to go to the CSV file and want to create these data from the interface, then it's possible. As you can see, you can add many rows here. You will be entering the data, Cpanel, web hosting manager, and so on. You write, you insert your URL here, and so on and so on. The lines that you don't like, you can delete as well. So, if we go back now to the main tab, it is important, as you can see, to define the folder in which you want to store all your backups. Okay, so you browse here, you go to the folder you want and you select it. There are also few parameters which came by default. You don't have really to change them. Also, there is another option with this application that it can run with multi-threads. Okay, so you have many. If in case you have many accounts, you can define the number of threads, like 5, 6, or whatever you want. Another advantage of the application is that you can run it on a scheduled basis. So if you want to back up your websites on every week, every day, every month, you can do it. You have just to activate this feature and you define the time you want the application to run. So after you define all these parameters, it would be better for you to go to the settings and you save all the settings in an INI file. So next time when you run Cpanel Body, they will be loading automatically. You don't have to enter them again. Okay, so let's go to the config we're going to load now a CSV file. We're gonna take a sample, and this is the file, account 1. Let's take this one. Okay, as you can see, there are a bunch of accounts loaded. We click on run and let's see how it works. So as you can see, there are multi-threads which are opened. They are running at the same time because we have defined that in the option of threading. So it starts with opening phpMyAdmin to download your databases. As you can see, this is the first database the application is going to back up, and then it downloads it to your local machine. Then after that you will see that the application is going to create a zip file of your public HTML before downloading into your computer. Of course, it will be taking a little bit of time depending on a lot of factors, how many accounts you want to back up, you want your net speed, and so on and so on. That's it. If you have any questions, just ping me. I will try to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.